Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. I am at my local BMW dealership and I am here to change the color of my M for free under warranty. And let me explain. The 2015, 2016, and I want to say maybe even the 2017, they have the M logo on the seats, which is a silver color, and it looks great, looks fine. However, the silver ones are prone to have a defect, and no one really knows why, and BMW wasn't quite sure, or they haven't admitted yet, but they are prone to cracking. They look like scratches, but what they actually are little hairline fractures and crack. And some people speculate because it's of heat cycles, not because of the heat from the light that illuminates the M's. They're probably illuminated with LED and they don't, distribute a lot of heat. But some people speculate that's from heat cycles from the sun and from heating and cooling from the interior. No one really knows why. However, later on, BMW decided to do another refresh, and they are black instead of silver. And it looks even cleaner, I think, in my opinion. However, the black ones don't have any issues. So that's what I'm here for today. I was able to come in actually months ago, and I was like, hey, my car has this. I'll see if I can get a close-up. It's really kind of hard to see, especially when they're lit up. And it's really early in the morning at my dealership now before I drop off my car. But I had them take a look at it, and the thing is, BMW technically only has to replace it with the original part, which would just be another silver one. And people who have gone into their dealership and gotten this covered under warranty, they've had it crack again. So clearly the silver ones are not that best quality of a part. So some people on the forums were able to say, hey, can you upgrade me to the newer refresh black ones? Because there's been no issues with that. And plus you're getting the updated look and it looks pretty clean. So I went to my dealership and I was like, hey, I have the silver ones, they're cracked. They're like, yeah, they are. And I was like, any chance I can get the black ones? And they don't have to give you those. But I kind of did like a pretty please, and they were really cool. So they said, sure, I'll give you black ones. I went in about 3 weeks before my warranty was to expire. And they said they were on back order for about 2.5, 3 months. And I was like, ah. But because I came in and I made the claim, they said I could come back. That was like sometime in September, October, and they said come back the second week of December. So that's why I'm here now. They're going to replace it for free. So let me give you a close-up of what the silver ones look like. Like I said, it looks like scratches. They just look like they're scratched up, but they're not scratched up. They're just very small hairline fractures and tiny cracks. And I don't know how heat cycle can do that, but regardless, BMW did upgrade them to a newer version, a newer part number. They're black. They look sick on the newer model years and the higher model trims. So that's what's getting replaced today. So goodbye silver, and looking forward to the black. So I'm waiting for my service advisor. Holy crap, look at this M4 CS. I'm obsessed with those wheels. Those wheels look absolutely amazing. That red pops. Check this out. 2020. Carbon ceramic brakes. Executive package. That red is amazing. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, so it looks like I'm getting an X2. So, a couple interesting things, what I just found out from my service advisor. He told me that BMW has recently changed their policy for the M3 emblems or M4 emblems that were silver. Whenever a customer requests black, they can approve it. If you want black, get black, which by all means sounds like you should do that. So if you're under warranty and you have an issue with your silver ones and they're cracking, request black, because you can get them now. I don't think you have to beg or plead or persuade or anything like that. He said that they've kind of done a replacement part, which I asked him, I said, does that mean you can't even get silvers anymore anyway? He's like, no, we can still get silvers, but they had to do so many write-offs that he said that they got a note, if a customer requests black, give the customer black. So that's cool. They gave me an X2, which is kind of interesting. Quick story. I cross-shopped. I almost bought an X2. Now, it was an X2 M35i. What they put me in is just a regular 28i, so it's not going to be the, souped-up version or more powerful version or, with an M Sport package or anything like that. But I just kind of think that's funny that a vehicle that I test drove and I really liked. So, my wife has an X1. It's fine. And, I knew I needed something with 4 doors. I looked at the X2 M35i because I saw what some people were able to do with them cosmetically, and they look pretty sleek in my opinion. And it surpassed all expectations. I know it gets slammed a lot, being that it's, front wheel drive biased, and then, even though it's X-Drive, it's all wheel drive, it's really like, on a front wheel drive platform. I get that. I knew that going in. But I guess I was comparing it to my wife's X1. To be clear, the X2 M35i, if you haven't test driven it, don't knock it. And this is, coming from M3. It's no M car. It's not. But it's a great SAV. I was impressed for what it was. And then just looking at deals, and actually, then I grabbed the M3. And, no regrets there. So anyway, I'm in the X2. And, ooh, they got some ambient lighting, and it's purple. Look at that. Isn't that kind of sleek? I don't think they did that on accident. Alright. That's kind of neat. Look at that. Purple ambient light. Go Ravens, #1 seed. Alright guys, well I need to get to work. They said that it may take all day, and if it needs more than that, they don't work on the warranty stuff on the weekends, so that means I possibly won't get it back till Monday. We'll find out. They got my number, my email. They're gonna keep me updated. It'd be amazing if it takes over 8 hours to change out seat emblems, but we'll find out and I'll keep you posted. So I am back at my house. It has been a long day, but I was able to get my car back, and the same day I dropped it off, but it was a full day. Everything was chaotic. I had to pick up the car, return the loaner, and then traffic and everything like that. So I wanted to do the reveal at the dealership, but it was dark, so I thought I would just wait here. Anyway, I got the paperwork, which was completely covered under warranty, just like they told me. But out of curiosity, I wanted to say if this was not under warranty, or if someone was going to pay out of pocket, how much would it cost them? So, first of all, they look amazing. So there they are, the gloss black, and with the black ones, which I should have known, instead of the silver ones where it was just M, now it actually says M3, which is pretty sweet, in case you forget what car you're driving. Very sleek. I like the black so much better, and the fact that they're not going to be prone to cracking or getting the hairline fractures is even a plus. Of course, when you get your invoice, it just comes up to, zeroed out. It just, it just says, parts 0, labor 0, and everything like that. But I was like, if this was to be just something I wanted to do for the fun of it, out of warranty, what would have cost? It would have been $242 per emblem. And then it was going to be 3 hours of labor per seat. And this was the dealership. They said it probably would have been a little bit higher if it wasn't under the dealership warranty cost, but they were saying $1,444 to go from silver emblems to black emblems in the M3, which is crazy. But I went in there 3 weeks before my warranty ended and said, can I please get these fixed? And instead of replacing with silver that might crack again, can you please give me the black ones? And they were super cool about it. I recommend this. If you have any M3, M4 that still has the silver seat emblems, upgrade them. Apparently now you can just ask for the black ones, as long as you can show that they are, you know, they're cracking, or they have like the little hairline fractures. So get the black ones. They're going to last you hopefully the life of the car, and they look awesome. Let's look at them again. Oh, and the best part, hold on, can't forget this. Let's see. Oh, yes. Well, I hope you found this video a little helpful, useful. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, there is another mod for you for free if you still have your warranty left. Even if you don't, if you just want that upgraded look and don't have to worry about them splitting on you, upgrade the black ones. They look awesome. Thanks again, guys, and catch you next time.